Today, we're building your own killer merch store directly in Adobe Dreamweaver. First up, launch Dreamweaver and create a new HTML document. Go to File, select New, and choose HTML. Give the file a clear name, like Indexed, and save it in a dedicated project folder. Next, let's build the website structure within the body tags. Start with the basic layout using HTML. Set up clear sections for your header, navigation bar, product listings, and footer. Think about how you want your merch store to look. Now, let's get into the product listings. Create individual product sections, images, descriptions, and, of course, a Buy Now button. Dreamweaver's design view lets you visually arrange these elements and insert product images by using the Insert option. Use the Insert panel or menu to seamlessly incorporate images with your merchandise. Adjust image sizes and alt text for accessibility. It is essential for your store to be able to handle transactions. To integrate a shopping cart, consider using pre-built e-commerce tools. Integrate using the Insert feature in Dreamweaver. Finally, test everything now. You're ready to attract customers and build your brand. Go on and launch your store now.